I'm going to go and hand out flyers today, and I feel really nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. I've handed out flyers before, but I feel like, oh my gosh, do I really need to do this? Now, I don't really need to do, but I know I need to do it. Like, it's one of the things that will help to bring in customers, create awareness, this sort of thing. So I don't know why I'm nervous though. Like, I'm handing out a flyer. I know in my brain I've sort of over thought the process unnecessarily. So yeah, I don't know. I'm handing out flyers today. End of story. So I went to hand out flyers and it was fine. It was fine. I took them out of the car and then, I don't know, it's like as soon as I had them in my hand, it felt okay. So I took them out of the car, and the first few people I saw, I just handed them out, and then I saw a few more as I was walking to the station, and I handed them out. And then when I got to the station, there were others. I think it might have been like some religious group or something, handing out flyers too. So I kind of felt like, okay, this is the spot. So I stood there anyway, and I handed out flyers. I was there for about 40 minutes, but I knew I was hungry, and I knew I was using the excuse for my hunger to stop. So that's what I did. I did it for about 45 minutes, and then I stopped and went to get something to eat. So I'm glad I did it. I don't know why I was so nervous, completely unnecessary, but it's done. So yeah.